A little worse for wear. Power line. Corner took a beating. What's odd, you look that way, you see all trees. You look that way, you all see skyline now. Used to be all trees. The sheared trees. Some still leaning, caught up. Workshop took a direct hit, blew out the windows. The cottage took a couple hits too. One that sheared off. It's pretty good size. Took the corner of the house out, hole in the inside. If you try to get out, you can't. That way at least. Treehouse survived. We try to head to what used to be the drive. Hopping over power lines. Still can't get to the driveway yet. One reason. Would be that. There is a path, dirt gravel path under there. Of course, no power unless the generator's on. Carport took a little bit. Pretty much everywhere you look. Like I said, it used to be trees, not skyline. Lawnmower survived. This is the actual driveway. Back on the driveway. That's the driveway, part of it. So hop over. Just the back of the main house, the back of the workshop that took a couple direct hits. Now we're back on the driveway again. And I actually can't even walk down the driveway because that tree snapped off was on the right side of the driveway. That skinny tree that's still standing was the left side of the driveway. So I had to walk around. And this used to be open area over here. The driveway is more or less over there. Here's the back side of the workshop. There used to be a shed back here too, which looks like it got hammered pretty good as well. I'll have to duck under or something. I'll go duck. Looks like a floodlight didn't make it. That tree's sheared straight off too. Now we're getting back towards the actual driveway. Here's the other side of that downfall. See it now back on the gravel path. This is only the lower portion. Luckily, they parked some vehicles at the guest cottage. So there's the back of the workshop again. You can see how that roof's pretty much caved in. Guest cottage took a couple hits. So this is the side of it. Luckily they decided to park one of the vehicles further towards the actual entrance of this whole area. So the goal today is at least get enough I can get one car out. So there's more trees down than there's standing. And there used to be a boat RV thing. Looks like that took a nice hit too. There used to be a shed on there over there with an air compressor in it. That's no longer a shed. And they were, well, it did another park one of their vehicles, at least over there. You can see it. I don't know what that looks like this moment in time. Still can't get that one out either because of this. But getting back to the main drive. So this is part of the driveway still. So the goal is at least be able to get one of these cars out today. Doesn't matter because the whole town around them has no power. You didn't have service for a whole hour before I even got here. We don't have any service here unless turn the generator on, and then we have some satellite for a little while. Should they bring them 15 gallons of gas? Because it's probably going to be a week or a couple before anybody even gets any power out this way. Nice washout. That used to be sitting right there. And as you can see, it was just a little tiny stream, but had enough water coming through here to blow this thing completely out. They had 10 something inches of rain, their rain meter said. It's nice deep gouges. Hard to tell, but a car was easily bottom out, get stuck. Now we get to go crawling again. So as you can probably tell, you have to hike in and hike out here at this point in time. My vehicle's on the other side of all this fun. Brother-in-law and family were here yesterday as well. I did have some little raccoon tracks over there. There's a dog here too, so that's what that is. I think I saw some deer tracks and maybe a turkey track earlier. And that came from somewhere, probably right there. That thing got pushed all the way over here, looks like. Yeah. Sounded like a river yesterday. It's more ever just a little trickle. This one's hung up, which is going to be fun to deal with. This large one sheared off, and this is off. As you can see. I want to quickly walk under this one. So I had to divert from the actual driveway. And here's the fun one, the nice holly tree, so it tears you up as you have to try to climb through this little hole. Sorry for the fingers. Backpack on, catches stuff.